hustle got to be strong in this industry, as in any other industry.
All right, good morning. So, this is day 17 out of service. It's 8 a.m. I'm still at home. This is part of the job, part of the lifestyle. One of the things that you can make damn sure of is that it is going to be very difficult to have any kind of real schedule, any kind of, say, oh, I'm going to do exactly 3 weeks out, and I'm going to take 10 days off or 6 days off, or I'm going to do 30 days out. Things come up. That's why I try to do everything. I have a little bit of a guideline of what I want to do, a little bit of a estimate of when I want to be home and how much time I want to take off. But even then, things happen, like with this. I came home 2 weeks early. I was actually supposed to be home now. I was supposed to have gotten home over the weekend and then be home for an appointment today. But the old lady, she was dealing with some stuff, just feeling overwhelmed and just not feeling it. So I came in, I deadheaded from New Orleans area, New Orleans all the way up to the house, about 1,100 miles. Then while I was home, a few days into being home, the grandbaby got sick and she got sick. So then that stretched out, and then she started to get better for a day. Then she got even sicker. Not COVID that I'm aware of. She did go to the hospital over the weekend and get tested for it and everything, but no test results at the moment. I started to feel like crap on Saturday for a day. I'm still not feeling 100%, but I don't feel awful or anything. Just kind of more fatigued and everything. Starting to get a little bit of a runny nose this morning. But anyhow, neither here nor there. So while I'm home, got some work done on the van, and that's what I'm doing out here right now. Is I'm on my way back to the Ford dealer. Had a tune-up done. Forget what else I had done, but anyhow, I have a check engine light on that's saying it's a misfire on cylinder 3. So I'm going to take this back out there. Now, hopefully, they're going to be able to get to it when I get out there. I told them I'd be out here today. But my brother has a van in there for, I think, an accelerator, the pedal replacement. And my other van, actually, both of my vans are over there. My other two vans are over there. The gray one, just getting stuff done because I don't really have a dedicated driver at the moment. I am trying to train a driver, but that's not looking too promising with his commitment to the job. So anyhow, which, by the way, anybody in the northeastern Ohio area, specifically Akron, hopefully, anybody willing to do a little bit of part-time over the road or kind of stuff local where you can be home in a cargo van, message me, comment. So anyhow, the 17 though is in there. It needed to get tires, which I had them in Friday. I got tires put on there, got a tune-up put on there, got some fluids changed. Well, before he came in, he hit a deer, and it's, initially for me personally, it's a little frustrating because, knock on wood, I haven't hit a deer yet. But I see people hitting deer all the time. Is it their fault? I don't know. Is it I'm just lucky? I don't know. The kind of shows that I'm probably more lucky than it is anything, because again, you see a lot of people hitting deer. Now, so that's not a huge deal. I mean, there's some damage to the van and everything, but I mean, it just is what it is, part of the gig. But so Friday he was in, had him do a little short load. He hit another deer. So luckily, from what I understand, it's damage that was already there, just a little more damage to the damage, the fender and grill and all that. But anyhow, so he's back out there. He had to come back in to go to the shop to get a emergency brake cable repaired on the rear, on the driver's side. So once I get there with this van, that'll be 4 of our vans up there. It's like, Jesus, criminy. And what's funny is a couple other vans that are with us, they're out for repairs. I just see, you see posts all the time of people having to take care of repairs. So anyhow, the point of it is that you just never know what's going to happen and when it's going to happen. So that's the moral of the story. So yeah, I got my appointment today. I got a doctor's appointment. Just go get a checkup, get some blood work done and everything. I'm going to try and get this taken care of. Hopefully it's nothing major. P0303. What is it? Wait, P0303. Cylinder 3 misfire. Now, it happened on startup, so it's not happening as I'm under acceleration or under load, anything like that. And it wasn't coming on flashing or anything. It's just a solid check engine light, which is odd that a misfire. I guess those are normally cold misfires when the check engine light don't flash. So let's go see what's going on, man. We're gonna head out to Ford. All right, so we had an ignition coil on number 3 that was bad. Getting it replaced, $328.13. My driver in the 17 is still inside there, getting worked on. Yeah, it tore it up pretty good. That second hit definitely tore it up a little bit more. So got the work being done. It's needing done anyhow, which was a driver side bearings and upper ball joint, I believe, on the driver side. It's a little frustrating on that ball joint, or on the bearings. I had that done at Ford, or not at Ford, I'm sorry. I had that done at a Goodyear in February of this year. February 23rd of this year, I had that bearings replaced on the driver's side. Goodyear's warranty sucks ass. Sucks complete dirty ass. So their warranty is 2 years, 24,000 miles. You guys know how fast we are going to go through 24,000 miles. So that warranty is almost worthless. Whereas with Ford, I believe they're a year or 2, unlimited mileage. I believe it's 2 parts and labor. So and it's even cheaper to get it done at Ford than it was Goodyear. Like I said, I had to have been in a bind to have it done at a Goodyear because I rarely take my stuff there. I do have a card there, credit card there, in case I need it. But yeah, and that bill, that was for inner and outer tie rods and bearings on the driver's side, $1,028. Yep. So, all right, I'm on my way. I'm heading back to the house. I got a doctor's appointment this afternoon. Actually, let me see. Probably didn't get those, did I? No, neither one of them. Man. Trying to get a load. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to pre-book something for tomorrow. So I can get out here and make some money. Man, I'll tell you what. This time of the year is costing me a ton of money. And it ain't even for gifts. Oh my God. I gotta make some money, man. Alright. I'll let you guys. Alright, update on that P0303. The misfire on the cylinder 3. So once I picked the van up after getting the coil replaced, literally not even 100 feet from the Ford dealership, the check engine light came on flashing. Immediately pulled it over, checked everything out, started back up, check engine lights on, just staying on. Took it back to the dealership. End result was they ended up replacing the plug in the coil at first, and that light came back on. Then they ended up replacing the injector on that cylinder. And since they replaced the injector, I've not had any issues, knock on wood. So that is what happened with that. And that was that was cold startup. And it says so many revolutions. I think it said like 1,000 revolutions. In the first 1,000 revolutions, there's a misfire. So basically stating that, those first 1,000 revolutions, it's misfiring. Then after that, it's not misfiring. So that's why it's not triggering the check engine, flashing, which it eventually did. So that's what it ended up going back for the last time. So yeah, that's all taken care of, and been no more issues ever since then. Ended up costing me altogether the $328. They didn't charge me for each time because, as I said, it was in there for a total of 3 different occasions for that issue. And again, nothing else was charged. Like I said, got charged for the one visit basically, and that was that. As I said, that's the thing I like about the dealership, and that's what keeps me coming back. They do make mistakes like a lot of garages. I'm not a big fan of the techs in general, but the customer service is just fantastic. As I said, if they mess up, they make it right. I mean, they treat myself and my brother very well out there as far as giving us fair prices, giving us as many discounts as they possibly can, or even, not charging for anything sometimes depending on what the issue is. So really enjoy, working with them on that level. Just they need to get some better techs. It's just they're a smaller outfit, so they don't pay their techs as well, so they don't get the best of the techs. With that said, I'm going to get off here, and I will holler at you guys later, man. Everybody be safe.